angles.
Yeah. Now I just discuss all the you have sent me, no?
No, sir. About
So I have received Nihar, you have sent me, right?
Yes, sir, I've sent you.
Yeah. See, question was the area of triangle formed by the line coordinate is, right? So this is a very interesting question and easy also. Children, all of you on the camera, yeah, you should tell every time to you people. You can't on by yourself. Hmm? Every time you should remind you. Children. Okay, see, I'm just opening one new this thing add page. See how many pages get added up. Automatically so many pages.
And sir, after this, could you release the scores?
Yeah, right now it's releasing that.
After this, sir.
No, just right now I'll do. I just immediately I'll do within 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I've sent you all the doubts.
Yeah, see, one question is, children, all of you on the camera. Hope you have did all the three. Okay, see, first question what Nihar is asking. Sai Charan, why you are not on the camera? Sai Charan, Sahil, Sriyanvi, you are having doubt in paper this time.
Sir, was silly mistake, sir.
Okay, but you are knowing all the questions almost, right?
Yeah.
So first question, Nihar, you have asked that area formed by a triangle 2x plus 5y. 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. So this is a very easy question. What is there? Simply you just draw here. This is your coordinate.
Sir, I didn't understand this.
Okay. See, area of triangle means you can find the see 2x plus 5y. So you can make the line. No, this is the equation of line, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did that step.
Okay. If x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 2. Correct. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've done that.
So 0 comma 2 you'll get somewhere here, 0 comma 2, and 5 comma 0 you will get somewhere here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So you should match this triangle here, right? So this is a triangle only, no?
Yes, sir.
This is a triangle, right?
Sir, but then I couldn't get the answer as 5 units.
Wait. So what is the area of triangle? Half base into height.
Yes, sir.
So what is base here? Base is 5 and height is 2.
Okay. I didn't multiply it like that.
So answer is
5.
5
Sir,
square.
what I was doing that, I was trying to take the squares in the graph. That didn't work out for me.
Okay,
Okay,
square.
sir, I got this, sir.
Okay, is it clear to everyone, children? So they're asking the area of the triangle. Anyone having doubt, still having doubt in this question, children? Area of a triangle found by the line and the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means y-axis and x-axis. Is clear, children, or not? Do you have any doubt? Still having doubt, children? Sriyanu, you are knowing this question. Sahil, you know this question before?
No, sir, I stuck in that only.
Understood? No. Now
Yes,
it's clear.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Next question is equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 7 has unique solution if x and y are. So question is 2x plus 5y is equals to 7 has unique solution. Unique solution if x and y are. If you take here, suppose first is a natural number, then they have given rational number, then positive real numbers, then real numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what do you
sir.
mean by unique solution?
Only one.
Unique means
Sir,
only
but
one
then
solution.
in a linear equation, there is never a in linear equation in two variables, there is never a unique solution.
Why not? In the here, unique solution means such a natural numbers. If you take, what will happen? This is having an infinite solution, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but then it has more than one solution, right?
Yeah, one solution only.
So, sir,
Means
the question
Sir,
will
I
be
think it will be real numbers, but like the answers is natural number.
no, sir. I think the question is wrong because a linear equation in two variables can't have two solution. Can't have a unique solution, right?
Yeah, this may have so many solutions. Yes. Okay, I'll come back to this question, children. Okay, this question number 9. I'll come back to this once I check from my side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because what I taught you that any this one equation like this is having how many solutions?
Sir,
Infinitely many.
Infinitely many solutions.
Yeah, and if I tell a unique solution is having, it become wrong, right? But let me check this what actually the thing is. Okay. Okay, children, and from the day after tomorrow, just clear it off on this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Because simply wrong answer I can't say what is there in this. Okay. The next question is the condition that equation ax plus y plus c is equals to 0 represent a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable, then this is very easy, children. See what is there in this. This question is easy, question number 13. The question is given that ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 represents a linear solution in two variables. See, there are two variables are there, x and y. So for two variables, a should not also not equal to 0 and b should also not equal to 0. Correct, children? Right? You are getting this or not? If a becomes 0, that this becomes by is equals to c. The only one variable will come. If this b becomes 0, then ax is equal to 0. This also becomes one variable. Understood, children,
Sir,
or
if
not?
both are zero, then
If both are 0, then this only constant will be there. You will not get a single variable also. You will get any single number. And that cannot be is equal to 0. Understood? Only c will come. If both become 0, then this becomes 0, this also becomes 0, then only c will get 0. So c answer is 0, like that. Understood?
okay, sir.
So there is no variable at all. So to being in a two variables, a and b both must not be equal to 0. Is it
Okay,
clear,
sir.
children? Yes, you
Sir, I have a doubt.
tell.
Yes, sir. In before question, like we have taken like one variable and forming it to like into variables. So like that was if you're like
You are telling
is it,
question number first one, second or third one, right now. Which
no
question?
sir. I am telling about like if something is given like in a one variable and equation is given in one variable and we have to form in two variable. So like we did like 0 into y plus c like that.
But two variables in the sense, y should be there, that's it. But actually it's one variable only. Now suppose if you are writing x plus c is equal to 0, actually variable is how much? You can see
Okay, sir.
only one, right? But
Yes,
if
sir.
like if whole becomes 0, suppose this whole becomes 0, so this is not having any value, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many variables are coming? Only one.
Okay, sir.
You can write in two variables, not a problem. If they are asking you should two variable in sense, you should draw the coordinate on like x and y variable. Understood? What means two variables you can show on this line. It means that suppose if coming x is equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to 8, you think. So 8 we think here and parallel to this one become two variable, means x also coordinate will be there and y coordinate also be there. Understood? And
Yes, sir.
here in the question is when it is possible, means ax plus by plus c represents linear equation in two variables. Linear means power 1, that is true. Power 1 not a problem. Two variable means a should not be equal to 0 and b should also be not equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next doubt is, children, if you're having doubts, you can send me. I just clear it one by one.
Sir, I will tell, sir. I'm not able to send.
But why? What happened?
Sir, there is no option to send in WhatsApp, sir, in tab.
All right, fine, Sai Charan. Let me check here only. Okay, if here only doubt is cleared, then or send tell someone they will send it off. They tell the questions and all they will send off.
Sir, it's question 22, sir, and question 6, sir.
Read the question that he will send. Nitin will send. What Nihar will send off. You tell him he will send. Nihar, this was clear, no? Any point on y line y is equal to 3x is of the form.
Yes, sir, I got it, sir. So this one I have a doubt, this 17th one.
See, they are asking here any point y is equal to 3x is form of. So if you put x is equals to a, if you put x is equals to a, what you get? Y is equal to 3 into a, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, but if we put y is equal to 8, then x is equal
Okay,
to
then
a
I'm
by
writing here
3.
y is equals to a, then x is equals to what? A by 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So yesterday you told no, you understood that a by 3, this answer if you are writing this one, this will
Oh,
come
yes, sir,
a
yes,
comma
sir,
a
yes,
comma
sir.
3 comma a, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
this
Yes,
one
sir.
is
I had done a mistake in writing that.
yeah, this is the correct. This is not there in option only. If this is there,
Okay.
this is also correct.
Yes, sir. I got that.
So no option for this. This was not in option only. So this was there in option. So this is correct. Children, it's clear to everyone. Question number 17. Sahil. Shreyanvi, you know knowing this before? Satvik.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
got it, sir, yesterday only.
Okay, fine. So next question is that's it, no, Nihar?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, what you have sent that I've cleared everything. One last question was there, yeah. Y is equal to mx plus c, right? This is slope of a line. You're not read actually. Y is equals to mx plus c if you're writing, no. Y is equals to mx plus c. Okay. This equation is only what, you know. M here we are calling it a slope. If you have not read this question, children, you have to read in class 11th. Okay. M is nothing but slope. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Yeah.
So this is out of syllabus.
Yeah, you can say I have not taught to you people, right? Because this
Okay,
is
sir.
not there in the syllabus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is not there in class 10th also. In ICC board, it's there in class 10. Okay, Sai Charan, you just tell the question, which one you are having doubt. Tell to Nihar, he will send me. Chat box you have sent.
Yes, sir, in chat box I have sent, sir, to everyone.
Nihar, you just see
Nihar can
which
send.
question is there, you can send me right
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes, sir. I'll send you, sir.
And
Okay,
the
so the
sixth
following
question,
order
sir.
page solution of this. Solution is damn easy questions, right?
Sir means is the right answer or not?
Yeah, I got one
Sir, I
more
sent
question.
you the question, sir.
Yeah, I got that. See what you do, no, Sai Charan. Actually, you got the correct answer. Then also you are having doubt, Sai Charan.
Sir means I have kept answer as D, sir, 0, 3. The correct answer is D. It shows, sir.
Hey,
4,
here correct.
1.
Here correct answer is D only now. Actually, Nihar has
Yeah,
sent.
I
No.
sent that thing. No.
Okay, fine. So see, the question is, children. You see, Sai Charan, what you need to do, no? See, if 2, 4 is given, no. So this is x and this is y, and you are having the equation x minus 2y is equals to 6. So which is sorry, 2x minus 2y, x minus 2y minus 6, right? Or if you want to write the same thing, you can write x minus 2y is equals to 6. You can write.
Yeah, I did it that x minus 2y is equal to 6, and then I formed the line.
Then you put the value of x here, 2 you put, then you're getting 4 or not. Just check 2 and 4, you both you put here. 2 into 4 is equal to what you get? 4 to the 8.
No, sir means if you substitute the each value, sir, means in the A, in the B, C, and D option, sir, we need to get the value as 0, sir.
0, no. Your equation is x minus 2y minus 6 is
Minus
there.
6. Yes,
It
sir.
means that this should be equal to 6, right?
Yes, sir. Then means I have thought that x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, which we need
That
to
also
substitute.
that also you can do, no problem. That same thing happened now.
Sir, then 0, comma 3.
Okay, put 0 comma 3. This is 0 minus
Yes.
2 into 3 minus 6. How will come 0? This become
Okay,
minus
it's
12.
minus 6 minus.
Understood
Sir,
now?
I've sent you one more screenshot. I have a doubt in that also, sir.
Sir, and I have doubt in the 6th question, sir. It is that about the square unit, sir.
Yeah, here y-axis, no, parallel to y-axis. Which equation is parallel to y-axis? This is very
Yes,
easy.
sir. Sir,
It's-
in that it can be x is equal to y, y is equal to x also, no?
No, how you can write y is equal to x?
Sir, sir, suppose y is equal to
I am
5.
telling you how it will come. I'll tell you wait. X and y, whatever you value, same value will come.
Yes, sir.
And this can be drawn like this. It will come 1, 1, 2, 2. It will come like this. Check. The equation, the line will come like this. This is the equation for y.
Okay,
equal
so
to
they are
x.
referring to that line, the line which we form by joining the coordinates.
Yeah, y is equal to x is what? The same thing.
Okay,
No.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got it.
X is equal to something only. You can do x is equal to something constant only. You can't write x is equal to y. Okay. Is it clear? Hope it's clear everything. Huh?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Satvik, you are not having any doubt.
Sir, and I have doubt in the 6th question, sir.
Read the question, man.
Sir, clear, sir.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir.
Sir, and that pen one also is there. That pen one and the book one. I'll send the screenshot. Wait, sir.
Sriyanvi, you got everything.
The question.
Yes, sir.
I am only okay. Sriyanvi, 13th one you tell me. So not 13th one. This 9th one. What is the question? You are understanding this, Sriyanvi? Huh?
Yeah.
2x plus 5y is equal to 7 has a unique solution if x and y are. Options you know might be right. Options are natural numbers, rational numbers, positive real numbers, and real numbers. What should be the answer?
Can you tell, sir, can you tell me the options again?
See, options are natural numbers,
Yeah.
rational numbers,
Yeah.
positive real numbers, and real numbers.
And can you tell me the question again, sir?
Okay, see, the question is 2x plus 5y is equals to 7 has unique solution if x and y are. Option A, natural numbers. Second one is rational numbers. Third one is positive real numbers. And last one is only real numbers. Which option is correct over here?
Is it B, sir?
How actually this is has unique solution. How even if any equation is given, it's having so many solutions. How unique solution will be there? That time I'm not understanding. Because whatever the value we have here, in all of the cases, it's having what? Unique solution. See children, if you write
Sir,
here,
it's natural numbers, sir.
yeah, see here, if any other thing if you put here, suppose half you put, okay, half means 1. 1 plus, if you do here, half plus, this become 1. And if you do for 1 is there, then 6 should come. Here 6 by 5. We can do like this, no? X is equal to, we can keep x is equal to half and y is equal to 6 by 5. Correct? This also we can keep. How only
Sir,
natural?
but then again, we can have many solutions.
Yeah, again.
That's
how
why
many?
it's
Sir, the
rational
answer is
number.
natural numbers, sir.
I know, man. Answer I can see here from here. So simply I should tell Kia natural number answer, then dance, dance, dance. we should we should clarify no why rational number is coming, why natural number is coming, why this is coming, right? Answer
Yes.
is given here that I can see here. But by knowing the answer, simply I can't say no. This is the answer.
Yes,
I
sir.
should clarify, right?
Yes, sir.
That is our thing should be there. Shriyanvi, can you explain?
Why the answer is B?
Actually, answer is a natural number. I'll just clarify. That's why let me give some
Oh.
time. Why this natural number is coming over here? Yeah, 1 if we keep, then 7 is coming. If
Yeah.
if we keep rational number, then also answer is coming. And haven't understood. But natural number is the rational. But natural number is there. No, one thing is there, children. Only one solution will come if we put natural number. Understood? Why I'm saying is you natural number means starting from 1 to infinity, right?
Yes, sir.
So here natural number is only you should keep 1 and 1, except this no natural number if you keep here, no, you'll get unique solution. Only 1 is the natural number where you'll get unique solution.
Sir, but then we can keep whole numbers or rational numbers also, no? Like, you just gave the example, right? Rational numbers.
But it's not
But
there.
the
No.
question what they are given, no, unique solutions you get.
So if we keep whole number also, then it is also like we are getting the answer.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
But
because
he did not give in the options.
how will get the whole number? Suppose you put 2 into 0, whole number is coming under 0, right? And plus 5
yes,
into
sir, I
what is
understood.
See, the question is has unique solution. The unique solution is coming only in the case of natural number. If you put rational number and all, so infinite many solution will come. Again, positive real numbers, it will come again what? Infinite solution. Real numbers is coming under rational number also. Understood, children? That's why answer is what? Natural number. Is it clear? Sir, I explain
Yes,
once
sir, I
again.
understood.
See, this actually equation is having infinite many solution. Okay, but if they ask, if you put natural number, you are having only one solution, 1 and 1. Apart from 1 and 1, you never get any other solution. Okay, no other natural number is there which can satisfy the equation. Anybody can tell me? Is it clear? Sahil, it's clear. Sai, Ritvik,
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Sriyanvi, it's clear or not right now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay, thank God I got the answer. Because I'll not tell simple answer without knowing anything. But anyway, understood. Next one is Sai Charan. What
Sir, I
is
have sent you, sir, the 6th question.
the area of triangle? We did the first question only, no? Sai Charan, what you are concentrating? Sai Charan,
Sir, the first.
very first question we did
Okay.
here, no?
Yes, sir.
Then what happened?
Sir, I did not. Sorry.
We did not.
Saw the question properly.
Okay.
I thought it was.
Okay, so what we have done, you understood, children, what all things are there. Now we'll start the new concept. That chapter got finished almost, right?
So
Linear equation-
I also have some doubts. I have sent you.
Okay, fine. So you are sending down as.
And sir, could you release the score?
Yeah, right now, wait, I'm just waiting. That's why I opened here this one, WhatsApp. 10B, 9B, 1 minute. I'll release right now only. I'll just do that. 9th and 10th both I'll release right now. You can see the screen. No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
because there is no option in this one, Zoom app. Only that particular you can see. In Google Meet and all, no. What
So
I'm
you can
opening
share your whole screen also.
in where? In Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm opening,
Yes, sir.
you can just do that.
Yes, sir. You can share the whole screen in Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Like whatever you're doing is going to be visible.
Achha. See, I have released children. You can check it out. Okay. You can see now, children, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Sahil, which one you are having doubt? You are saying, Sahil?
So, question number 5.
On which in linear division, two variables.
Yes, sir.
From the exercise you are saying.
No, sir. I have sent you on the WhatsApp from the test.
Today you sent.
Yes, sir.
I
Now
can't get.
only.
I didn't got till now. Acha, 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 acha. Okay. There are three questions you have sent to me, right? 19,
4, sir.
19, 20,
Four.
31, right?
Yes, sir.
And one more question, that is your own graph is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
So which question you want?
All of them, sir.
So graph one question I can't see. What is the question? Just carry it. To which does the graph represent, right?
Yes, sir.
To which equation they are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is very easy. X and y, you put the value 2 and 2 is given, and -2, -1 is given over there, right?
Yes, sir.
So put the values which is satisfying. Means both the equations should satisfy. Means both the coordinates should satisfy.
Okay, sir.
That is the answer.
Okay,
So
sir.
we did this question also in the class, correct? Which equation is satisfying? You should check with both the coordinates. Did you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Next question is the point of form a comma minus a, where a is not equal to 0, lies on where? So where is lying on x-axis? A comma minus a. So obviously, if we take both are same, like 1 comma minus 1 or 2 comma minus 2, where it lies. So x-axis and y-axis is not possible, right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Where see here, they have given a is not equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. If 0, 0, 0 means what? Your midpoint will come off, right? I'll show you here. Satvik, you are not asking any question, child. Why? You know everything.
Sir, no, sir. I have a doubt in one question, sir. But because my top subscription changed, I can't see the question paper, sir.
See, a comma a. This point a comma minus a lies on. Question is lies on x-axis, and here they have given where a is not equal to 0. X-axis, y-axis, or line y minus x is equals to 0, line y minus x equal to 0, and line x plus y is equals to 0, correct? These are the options. So this and this clearly you can cross it off, right? Because a should not be equal to 0, correct? No, children? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you take any point here, no, suppose you take any point. What do you want to take? A, any number you take. What do you want to take? Tell me. Sahil?
2, sir.
2, then 2 comma minus 2 will come, right? 2 comma minus 2, it will come here. So point is coming here, correct?
Yes, sir.
So option is 2 comma minus 2. Now put which is correct here option, that you just check it out. That's it. Understood what I'm saying? Which equation is like this is correct? You can just put the values, get the answer. That's it. So if you check, you will get this one. X is 2, y is minus 2, you'll get 0. And here if you put, what you will get? Minus 2, minus 2, this will become minus 4, this is wrong. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
It's very easy question. So next question is for the, you're not having doubt in this one, Satvik?
Sir, I have a doubt in another question, sir.
This question was clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Wow, super. Very good, sir.
No, sir. Like I got it wrong. My mother explained it.
Acha, acha, okay. Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi, are you not there in meeting? Pulastya, Satapati, Sai Ritvik. Where the children went? Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi. Pulastya.
Hello, sir. I got disconnected now, sir.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, very less sound is not coming properly, Pulastya. Shriyanvi, what happened? What you are saying?
Hello, sir.
Huh? Can you hear me, Shriyanvi?
Now I can hear you, sir.
Okay, fine. The next question is A, 1. Now, next question number 20 was there. Question number 20. So the question is equation 5x minus 7y is equals to 35. If y is equals to 5, then x is equals to question mark. It's very easy, children. What, Sahil? This question is very easy now. Why you put here y is equal to 5 means this is damn easy question. You should put value of 5 here. That's it. So 5x is equals to 35 plus 35. So 5x is equal to 70. So x is equals to what? 14. What happened, Sahil?
Oh, so I got confused in the moving the 35 towards like.
Acha, acha. You should solve linear equation. We have read in class 7th, 8th only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Other questions, linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 2. Cuts the y-axis at. We did so many questions based on this, Sahil. We had did lot of questions based on this. Simply you should put 0 and 0. Then you'll get answer out immediate now.
So at first I didn't see at y-axis, sir, cutting y-axis. So I thought there were two answers and kept some answers, sir.
So x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. So just draw the line. The 0, 1 will come here, this point. This is 0, 1. And 2, 0 will be here. So this is the line, right? So this line touches the y-axis at where? Tell me. What is the answer, Sahil?
0,1, sir.
That's it. Doubt got cleared everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. These are the things only, children, what you need to do. That's it. Not much. Now, I will start a new chapter, okay? Surface area and volumes. All right, children, we'll start new chapter, surface area and volumes. We'll know the basic concept of it. All of you on the camera, Shriyanvi, then Sahil, you have on. I can see Sahil. Nihar, I can't see. Pulastya. Pulastya, how was the paper? You're not having any doubts?
No, I don't have any doubts. I found out my mistake.
But this time I think children, this paper was very interesting actually. This time was the very interesting among all the papers, I think. Correct on Nihar? There was not this one, wrong questions or something like that this
Yes,
time.
sir.
It was exactly very good questions are there in this. From this chapter, very nice questions were there in that.
So then what about the introduction to Euclid's geometry, sir?
Which geometry? Euclids.
Yes, sir. After linear equation. So,
That also we can do, no problem. But what I'm doing now, first I'll do all harder chapters, which is having very this weightage, like surface area and volumes. It's very big, means weightage chapter. Means you can say lengthy and toughest chapter of your class. Apart from that, nothing is, no chapters are there. So if you do toughest chapter first, no, it's not toughest. It will take time also. Euclid's geometry, what 1 or 2 days time it will take, not much. Surface area, so many questions clear. Learn the concepts. And how I taught this one, this linear equation, 2 variables. From to 9th class is more than enough. Means you can, we are doing foundation. That's why I did this much for you. This is also not there. Understood? Shriyanvi? So surface area and volumes, you know, cube, cuboid, you have read cube, cuboid, cylinder, then cone. Did you heard, Shriyanvi?
Hello, sir. Your voice breaks, sir.
Can you join with direct Zoom ID? Shall I give you Zoom ID
Sir,
directly?
your voice.
What I'll do? Shall I send to Zoom ID directly to your number? Your thing is breaking actually, I think.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Now I
you
can hear you, sir.
Okay. So cube, you know what is cube? Children, what is cube? Do you know that?
Sir,
Huh?
hello.
Yes, tell me. Can you hear me?
Sir, you're
Yes, sir, we
breaking
can
now
hear
again,
you.
sir.
Actually, can you hear me now? Children, all of you can hear
Yes,
me?
sir, we can hear
Yes,
you.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you, sir.
All right. See, first of all, we should know about surface area and volume. What is surface area and what is volume?
Sir,
Volume
volume is
is,
the space occupied.
yeah. Suppose if you're having any room, no. If you're having any room here, like box, so how many items you can keep inside? Okay, how many items you can keep inside the room? Understood, children? This is a volume. Is nothing but space inside. Okay, space inside. How much is there? That we are talking about. It means meter cube. We are length, breadth, height, all the things we multiply and get the answer. Okay. Volume is nothing but how much space is there inside. Okay. And we are talking in meter cube. And but if you are talking about surface area, so this is your three-dimensional, right? You have to multiply length also,
sir.
breadth also, height also, correct? And
Yes.
this is, and volume is nothing but area into height. Area into height. So area of your cube is nothing but length into breadth. Cube or cuboid, you can say. Area of a square, if rectangle, if you see, you'll get length into breadth, and height is h. So this is nothing but your volume, LBH. And if you're talking about square, the area of the square is what? You know, area of the square is side square. And into height, if you do, you'll get a to the power 3. This is for what? Cube, and this is for cuboid. You're getting, children? This is a volume for cuboid and this is a volume of cube. Is it clear to
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we are just multiplying this area with the height and getting the answers. So one formula you can write, volume is equals to area into height. Is this clear to everyone, children? What is the volume is how much thing you can keep inside, how much items you can keep inside, whole inside. You should not paint the walls and all. How much people can leave, how much sack of potatoes, how much apple you can keep inside the box, something like that. Understood, children? So that is volume.
Yes, sir.
And area is nothing but, suppose you are doing painting in the on the walls. So walls are only you are doing painting either on the length and breadth, or length and height, or breadth into height, correct? Only on the two things we'll consider.
Sir, area means about what shape, sir? About 2D or 3D?
Two-dimensional. Area of anything is two-dimensional. Suppose you are taking any land. Okay, if you're taking any land, if you see 1200 square feet, A square is what? Means length into breadth. If you are having any land, suppose you are talking about land, okay, this is your land. So this is your 120 meters and this is your 60 meters. So total area of the land is how much? 12, 6 or 72,
72.
200 meter square. Understood? Generally, we are constructing
Yes.
the house in 30-40 site or 40-60 site.
Sir, means in the volume of cube and the cuboid, sir, volume is first area into height you told, sir.
Yeah,
Means if the side of the cuboid is 4, sir.
ah,
Cube, sir. Cube is 4. So all sides are same. So
Ah.
4 into 4 and into height means height is also 4. So
Yes.
4 into 4 into 4. Like
Yeah.
that, sir.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
So generally, we are constructing the house in this length is 40. For normal people, average people are drawing like this. Normal people, like 4 is 1200 square feet. You might have heard this area is 1200 square feet, right? Correct, no,
Yes,
children?
sir.
So this is the area. Area is for walls or land, something like the two-dimensional thing will come. Either length, either the combination of length and breadth, or breadth into height or height into length. Understood, children? So area
Yes, sir.
is two-dimensional and volume is three-dimensional. Got it? So volume is nothing but area multiplied by height. Anyone having died in surface area and volumes? No. Now first diagram is, see, they are finding the volume of one object here. So this length, breadth and height is given over here. So length is 5 centimeter, breadth is also 5 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So they have multiplied here length into breadth into height. So they are getting here 100 centimeter cube, because volume is what? Three-dimensional. So meter cube only will come. Either meter cube, either centimeter cube, by anything, whatever it is. So this first part is clear, children. First three lines are clear for volume for first, second, and third. Is it clear to
Yes, sir.
everyone?
So it's clear.
Next is surface area of the cuboid. See, what is surface area of the cuboid, children? I'm telling you. The surface area is divided into two parts. Okay. One is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. And second one is total surface area. Total surface area. So who knows the difference between these two? Anyone knows the difference
Sir,
between these?
sir, total surface area is the total thing, and lateral surface area is the area of four sides, excluding the top and the bottom.
Suppose you are having your room. This is your study room. Okay. ये क्यों काम नहीं कर रहा पापा? वर्क ही नहीं हो रहा अभी. What क्या हो गया इसको? So see, this is your room. I'm just making over here. Try to understand this, children. Okay. Why it's not going up also? Not moving at all. See, I just discuss here. See, this is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height, correct?
Yes,
This is your height. So if you're talking about this wall, only this wall you see, only this wall. So this wall is what? Nothing but what you can say. This wall is, you're considering this length is h into what? Length into this height is length, and this is your breadth, correct,
Breadth.
children? Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we are talking about this wall. The same wall is repeating here also. If you see here, same wall is repeating here also. Can you say? Two times the same wall is repeating or not?
Yes, sir.
It's repeating the same thing.
Now if you see this back side, if you are sitting here, the back side of the wall, this one,
height into L.
And this full front part, if you see. So both will repeating same, right?
Yes.
So this is nothing but this part is height is will come same, and this length is this is coming length. The length into height, correct?
Yes, sir.
We have not considered area of top and bottom. Understood, children? In this thing, we have not considered what? Area of top and bottom. So lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area consists of only, or you can say area of 4 walls. Area of what? 4 walls. Is it clear, children? Only area of 4 walls.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is area of 4 walls? See, children, B into H is coming 2 times. So you can write 2BH. Because base into height is repeating 2 times. This is 1 and this is 1. Is it clear? Those who are not
Yes,
getting,
sir.
just tell me, children, because this is practically I'm showing you. And here, if you see this back side and this front side, so this area is nothing but L into H, the plus 2LH, correct? If this much is clear, then I'll move further.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So 2H you can take common, you can write B plus L, or 2H L plus B, okay? Or what you can write? 2H and bracket L plus B. And this will come in square units, okay? Square units, whatever it is coming, centimeter square, meter square, whatever it is coming
Sir,
to.
square units means for every square, like in the 3 objects at the first figure, sir.
A square units means if it's given in centimeter, length
Square
is,
units means, sir, like, suppose we have 5 meters and then square, right?
yeah, means the square units why I have written here. Suppose your length is in centimeter, your answer will come in centimeter square. If length is given in meter, okay, then answer will come in meter
Yes, sir.
square. If this is given in decimeter, this comes decimeter square. So depends on this thing. That's why I've written a common square units. Okay, means whatever thing will come, that will come in square units only. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now LSA, now I'm talking about TSA in this. So in TSA, we are just adding top and bottom. The top area is nothing but, if you see, children, length into breadth.
L into.
Length into breadth will come, right?
Yes, sir.
So this only will repeat. This thing only will come. If you see, this length will come 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Is it clear to everyone? What is difference
Yes, sir.
between LSA and TSA? LSA means you're standing in a single room and see only surrounding of you. Don't see top and bottom. That's it. Okay. LSA means you
Yes,
just see surrounding you, front, back, left, right, where you want to see. But don't see top and bottom. Means area of 4 walls only. Is it clear to everyone, children? And TSA means area also will come into picture. Okay. Hope this is clear
Sir,
to everyone. Huh?
total surface area means including those 4 walls also, sir.
Yeah, total means walls, top, bottom, everything.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes what they do, no, they'll ask only surface area, find the surface area of this. You should think over that. Which surface area? They're asking total surface area or lateral surface area. You should think over it then. Sometimes they'll leave, simply they'll tell, find the surface area.
So
But
if
they will,
it's not mentioned, then how do we?
Means we need to do first lateral surface
what
area
they
equals
mention, I'm telling you how they mention. They'll mention the top part is not there, or base is like sand, okay, in the that thing, okay, that you can't paint and all. So that hint will be given to you. But particularly they won't mention you find the lateral surface area. They may mention, but sometimes they won't mention also. You find
sir,
lateral.
surface area. Yeah.
What, man? Before asking you
No,
didn't
sir,
think.
means if we are telling surface area, sir, means that the total surface area.
Yeah, that's I'm telling you. That time you should think in the question. Ki what you should do. You should find total surface area or little. So many questions are there like that. Right now in ninth, you may not get much questions, but in 10th, so many questions are there. They will ask you find the total surface area of the cuboid or something like that. TSA directly blindly don't use TSA formula. They will say that top part is open. Then apply TSA formula, but you should remove that area of the top part. Understood? That way you should think over it. That is the main thing. Suppose tent will be there. They will ask you, tent is like cone, okay? But in tent, no, you are not finding area of basement because base is totally made up of what? Mud, sand like that. So we are not using what cloth for that. So down part we are not considering in the tent part and all. Understood? So
Yes,
those
sir.
so those things will come into picture slowly, slowly if you do the practice and all. Okay.
Sir, only the area is different from for cuboid and cube.
What area is different for cuboid and cube?
Sir means if there is a triangular, sir, like
That I'll tell you.
cylinder.
Yeah, that we'll just discuss. So right now I'm just discussing only about cuboid. Cube is same thing, children. Cube, Satvik. Can you tell me cube formula? What is the volume of cube, Satvik?
Sir, side S cube.
Okay. And what is the TSA of cube? TSA of cube.
Sir, six.
Where? Why you're not on your camera? What you're looking somewhere? What you're doing there, man? Satvik, I'm
Nothing.
telling you, you be serious in the class. I'm telling you. If you want to on the camera, be here. Otherwise, you off the camera and sleep at home. Now tell me what is LSA of that cube, Satvik? LSA of cube. Satvik, can you hear me? What happened to him? Oh. Yeah, Sahil, you tell. LSA of cube.
So I do not remember that.
Hey, area of four walls you find, man. In one cube, if cube will be all sides are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Think about one side. One side will be what? One side area you can tell me. That's it. That is enough. All sides are A. So if you find one side area, what you get? A square you won't get. You get
Yes,
A,
sir.
side into side is what? A square only, no?
A square, yeah.
So how many walls that are there in front? I mean, surrounded by you? Four walls.
Yes, sir.
So to LSA is 4A square. That's it,
4A.
over.
Yeah.
And if you're talking about 6 walls, means so not 6 walls. If you're talking about total surface area, then top and bottom both will get included. That's it.
Okay, sir.
So we should not
The TSA is 6A square and LSA is 4A square, sir. I got disconnected.
disconnected.
Yes, sir. Network was gone.
Achha, okay, fine. So why LSA is 4A square, Satvik?
Sir, because we take the four sides of the wall and one side of wall is side square, and if we take all the four, it becomes 4A square.
And total surface area?
All the six sides, including the top and bottom.
Fine, you understood then. So like this only should children, we should not remember something or not remember something. You should understand and then you should do. Understanding maths is totally of understanding part. Okay. So once you understand means you should not remember. This is very interesting chapter, children. Very interesting. It may be some means actually if you do some lengthy questions will be also there. Compared to other chapters, no. Compared to other chapters, this maybe you can think this is lengthy. But okay, fine. The system got hanged. Why it is not
But
responding?
there's a lot of calculation in this.
Yeah,
So
calculation.
even compared to lines and angles where we have to prove a lot.
Angles, you can do that. It's got hanged, children.
Sir, you type the scroll button, sir, on mouse.
The
Once
scroll
click the
button.
scroll button, sir. Yes, sir.
There's no mouse here in laptop. How to
No
do it?
mouse, sir.
Mouse is there means that pad is there. No, separate mouse is not there.
No, sir, means in mouse, if you click the scroll button, sir.
Something is here. It's happening and all. 1 minute.
It's a trackpad.
Sir,
You have to shut down. You have to shut down your computer.
Yeah, children, all of you can leave today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir.
bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
children. Hmm. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, children. लड़की बड़ी अनजानी है सपना है सच है कहानी है कोई ये पगली बिल्कुल न बदली ये तो वही दीवानी है Thursday and Friday. Let me check. Love and nights. Thursday and Friday, no problem. Yes. Thursday means today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday and Friday. Thursday is 8. Ma'am. Sir, I talk to you now. Good evening, ma'am. Yeah, you told about Thursday and Friday, no, ma'am? 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 to 11. 9 to 10:30, right? 9:30 to 11. Huh. No problem. You tell me just how actually you want, ma'am. 9:30 to 11 I should take on Friday, you're saying? Fine, ma'am. Fine. Mm, no problem, ma'am. No problem. Fine, fine, fine. That's it. No, that's much only. Or shall it? Huh. Then? Acha, acha. No problem. You tell me before only. You tell me. Don't be clear. I should tell or something like that. If you're really no problem, I'll just take it. That not a problem, ma'am, for me. Ah, I think message me, ma'am. That before that. Huh? If you want both also I'll take one. Not a problem in that. That you just take your this thing, ma'am. Not a problem. Huh? Okay, ma'am. Bye. What is this? Isha, Ina. सूरज कब दूर गगन से चुंबक कब दूर पवन से खुशबू कब दूर पवन से कब दूर गया गगन से ये बंधन के प्यार का बंधन है जो पास है